Dear brothers and sisters, one director of the film Ten Commandments, the Hollywood columnized asked Hollywood columnist asked Cecil the Miller, director of the film Ten Commandments, what commandment do you think people break the most today? And dear Miller replied, the first commandment, do not bow down to any idol or worship it. Exodus 20:5. It's the commandment Israel broke the most and the first. And it's the same commandment we still break the most. So Dimil added, we don't bow down before graven images, but we do worship gods of comfort, gods of money, gods of power, gods of pleasure, gods of false relationships. In the gospel reading too, we heard a man asked Jesus, which commandment should I follow to attain heaven? Jesus told him to follow the 10 commandments. He said, I have followed all of them. Then he told him, go and sell all your wealth, because he was taken up by God of wealth. He could not do that. What false gods do we personally tend to worship in our modern world? God of smoke, God of alcohol, God of sexual pleasure, God of false relationships, and you can go on. So no servant can serve two masters. He will either hate one and love the other, or be devoted to one and despise the other. We cannot serve God and mammon. Luke 16:13.